Hey YouTube, I just wanted to run a quick tutorial to show you how to get backend API that's behind a login pulled over quickly using Python. And this even works behind two-factor authentication most of the time. So let's say, for example, you're on Amazon Seller Central, right? And you want to log in. So normally with scraping, we might do something where we have to do an automation where we're using a headless browser to be able to access the data. If you're just wanting to get a single page inside of a report without having to crawl through different parts of the website, here's how you do it. Do your login stuff. In this situation, I've already done my two-factor, so it doesn't really matter. Once you're logged into the main page, the idea is that you're going to be grabbing the cookies and every other piece of relevant information and popping it over into Python. So let's say we want to scrape this data, right? So there's probably a backend API we can do to access that. So what you can do is hit Control-Shift-I, go ahead and reload this page. Now we'll see over here, I've set this to fetch XHR, so we're getting all kinds of interesting data back here. I think this looks rank change detail. If we open up this payload and take a look, it looks like we're gonna run into, maybe not that. Let's try search term details. If we open up this report, there we can see some rows with that information. So cool. So let's say we want to grab this, for example. So it's super easy to do. First thing you can do is go to Google Colab and get a new notebook started. So you can just search or whatever, right? Okay, so I have my totally blank Colab Python notebook. And then so the next thing you'll want to do is go to a website called curl converter /Python. And from here, you'll be able to convert any curl command to Python and run it instantly. So let's go back over to the page that we want. And what we'll do here is inside of inspector, we'll right click, go to copy, and then we'll say copy as curl dash. And then head back over here, paste that command in. And then from here, you can just scroll down and click on copy to clipboard. Come over here to your Python notebook, just drop it in that cell. And then at the bottom, we'll have our response here, so we can go ahead and run that. Once it's finished loading, we can go ahead and check the text and see what it looks like. So we'll go ahead and wait just a second, let that spin up and run. And that's it. There's our payload. Awesome. So we can see the report values in here. So obviously from this point, you're going to have to do a bit more parsing to get it into the format you want. But I just wanted to share this tip for you guys. If you're new to data analytics and scraping, this is a really quick and easy way to look inside that data specifically for a single page. So yeah, good luck. Happy scraping.